not allowed to have props.
Awesome.
It's all fine. We're fine.
Hey friends! Welcome to the YouTube channel at Be Pure. We are doing some updates, so welcome back. And today we want to do the I Am Not Kim Kardashian Sweetheart look. This is Holly, and she'll be doing my makeup today. So one of the reasons why we decided to do this look is because a lot of us want to be able to put on a pretty look with makeup without a lot of steps. So this one's a simple 3-step process, and Holly's going to show you exactly how to do it with 2 ways.
Yeah, let me go get them.
Today we're going to be using Kjaer Weis Creamy Foundation. This foundation comes in a gorgeous refillable compact that slides open and magnetically shuts. To give you a color reference, I'm using the color Ethereal on April, and I am wearing Like Porcelain. This foundation can be applied with a brush or with your fingers for more convenience. I'll be applying both ways in the tutorial today. On the left side of April's face, I am using a brush. And this foundation is a super creamy formula that should be applied all over the face, including under the eyes. If you feel you need a little more coverage under your eyes, this foundation plays really nicely with many all-natural concealers. This is a super creamy formula, so it's perfect for dry to normal skin or combo skin, but it can also play really nicely with oily skin if used with the right primer. Now I'm going to apply the foundation using my fingers to April's right side. When applying the foundation with your fingers, make sure your hands are clean, dry, and free of any lotions or any irritants that may anger your skin. Make sure you reach the foundation over your whole face, paying close attention to your hairline and your smile lines and the lines around your nose. Make sure you blend really, really nicely to avoid any harsh lines that may appear around your face. I also recommend setting this foundation using the Kjaer Weis Translucent Setting Powder. With the translucent setting powder, it sets your foundation to avoid any transfer, so if you plan to hug anybody, it won't get all over their shoulder. Setting powders also make the skin appear very smooth and velvety and poreless. Now I'm going to apply the Kjaer Weis Cream Blush in the color Happy. Like the foundation, this product comes in the refillable compact and can be applied using a blush brush or with your fingers. Today I'll be applying with my fingers. I'm applying the blush along the apples of April's cheeks and carrying it across her cheekbone. This blush is very pigmented, so it's really bright when first applied, but the creamy formula makes it very easy to blend out. If you feel the blush is too bright, you can go in with the Kjaer Weis Glow Highlighter in the color Radiance. This is going to tone down the brightness of the blush and increase the radiance or the shininess of the blush. I'm applying the highlighter along April's cheekbone just below her eye. Now to finish off this sweetheart look, I'm going to apply the Kjaer Weis Lip Tint in the color Blissful. Again, this formula is very creamy and can be applied with a lip brush or just with your fingers, just like a lip balm. This lip tint has natural moisturizers, so it will nourish your lips while wearing it, and it's also very pigmented as well, so the color will definitely come through and make a statement. Blissful is a very bright, light pink and gives you that sweetheart look.
Do you like that I matched my little friend here? I did that on purpose. Hi friends, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for checking out our channel. And if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. While you're at it, go ahead and turn on that little bell notification so that you're notified every time we post a video. Again, I just want to thank you guys so much. We're revamping this YouTube channel, so I just wanted to sit down with you guys really quick and just give you guys a little bit of a spiel about what's to come on our YouTube channel. We're going to be doing a lot of fun videos like reviews and hits and misses and get readies with me and full faces and tutorials like the one you guys saw today. So if that sounds like a bunch of videos that you guys would watch, go ahead and subscribe to our channel because we're going to be posting a lot of fun videos. 2019 is going to be an awesome year for us, so we're really excited to share it with you guys. Also, comment down below what videos you guys want to see because we're doing this for you. So we want to post videos that you guys would want to see. So once again, I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in with us and supporting us in everything that we do. And like always, be green, be you, and be pure.